Every modern device depends on tiny microchips. Behind them lies one of the most precise and sophisticated manufacturing processes ever created. A microchip is a tiny electronic device containing billions of transistors. Together, these microscopic components perform calculations and control digital systems. At the heart of most microchips is silicon, a semiconductor material whose unique electrical properties make modern computing possible. The journey begins with silica-rich raw materials. Through complex industrial processes, silicon is transformed into an extraordinarily pure material suitable for semiconductor manufacturing. Semiconductor manufacturing demands extreme purity. Specialized equipment removes impurities until the silicon reaches levels of purity measured in extraordinary fractions. The purified silicon is melted and carefully grown into a single crystal. Precision machinery produces a long, uniform structure called a silicon boule. The finished crystal is shaped into a massive cylindrical ingot. Its perfectly controlled structure will soon become the foundation for hundreds of microchips. A precision wire saw slices the silicon ingot into incredibly thin circular wafers. Every cut must be controlled with extraordinary accuracy. The wafers are polished until their surfaces become exceptionally smooth and flat. Even microscopic imperfections can affect the final chip. Before processing begins, engineers enter a highly controlled clean room. Special suits prevent tiny particles from contaminating the delicate semiconductor surfaces. Inside the fabrication facility, robots and engineers work among sophisticated machines. Temperature, humidity, vibration, and airborne particles are carefully controlled. Powerful inspection systems scan each wafer for microscopic imperfections. Detecting defects early is essential because a tiny flaw can affect an entire chip. A light-sensitive chemical called photoresist is spread across the wafer. The wafer spins rapidly, creating an extremely uniform microscopic coating. The coated wafer is gently heated under precisely controlled conditions. This stabilizes the photoresist and prepares its surface for the next stage. Now comes one of semiconductor manufacturing's most important steps. Precisely controlled ultraviolet light transfers microscopic circuit patterns onto the wafer. For the smallest modern features, advanced extreme ultraviolet lithography uses extraordinarily short wavelengths of light to create incredibly tiny patterns. What appears as a simple exposure becomes a complex microscopic design. Millions of precisely positioned structures begin taking shape across the silicon surface. The wafer undergoes chemical development, removing selected portions of photoresist. The remaining material now forms a precise protective pattern. Next, unwanted material is removed through controlled etching. Plasma can carve microscopic structures into the wafer with remarkable precision. At microscopic scale, energetic ions remove selected material layer by layer. This creates the tiny trenches and structures needed for electronic components. Controlled ions are implanted into selected areas of silicon. This carefully changes the material's electrical properties, creating essential semiconductor regions. At the atomic scale, these implanted impurities alter how electricity moves through silicon. Precisely engineered regions become the foundation of transistor operation. New materials are deposited onto the wafer in extremely thin layers. Each layer serves a specific electrical or structural purpose inside the future chip. Some manufacturing processes build layers only a few atoms thick. Extraordinary precision is required because modern transistors operate at nanoscale dimensions. Layer by layer, the wafer begins developing millions and eventually billions of microscopic transistors, the fundamental switching elements of modern electronics. A transistor's gate controls the movement of electrical charge through its channel. Creating these gates requires some of the finest manufacturing precision on Earth. A single chip can contain billions of transistors. Together, these microscopic switches create the computational power behind today's digital world. But transistors must communicate. Extremely thin metallic interconnects form complex pathways, carrying electrical signals between billions of microscopic components. Modern processors contain many stacked layers of circuitry. A transparent view reveals an extraordinary three-dimensional network of transistors, insulation, and metal connections. After several processing stages, surfaces must be flattened again. Chemical mechanical polishing creates the smooth foundation required for the next microscopic layer. These steps are repeated again and again: coating, exposure, development, etching, implantation, and deposition. gradually transform a simple wafer into a complex processor. Precision metrology systems measure microscopic structures throughout the process. Engineers constantly verify dimensions, alignment, thickness, and other critical parameters. Automated inspection machines search for microscopic defects. Advanced imaging can identify imperfections far smaller than anything visible to the human eye. Before the wafer is cut apart, individual chip sections are electrically tested. Automated probes check whether each tiny circuit performs as designed. Inside the chip, electrical signals travel through enormous networks of transistors and interconnects. Testing confirms that these microscopic paths function correctly. After countless manufacturing stages, the wafer is covered with hundreds of precisely patterned chip dies, each potentially containing billions of transistors. The completed wafer is carefully divided into individual chips. Precision cutting separates each tiny rectangular die without damaging its delicate circuitry. Now separated, the tiny dies reveal intricate patterns created through months of engineering and manufacturing development, all concentrated into remarkably small spaces. Each semiconductor die must be connected to the outside world. Automated equipment places the tiny chip onto a specialized package. Microscopic wires or advanced connections link the chip to its package. These delicate pathways allow electrical signals to enter and leave the processor. Modern processors can combine multiple chips and specialized components inside sophisticated packages. Packaging has become almost as important as transistor manufacturing. The delicate internal components are protected inside their package. This provides mechanical strength, electrical protection, and a controlled environment for reliable operation. Finished packages undergo detailed optical inspection. Cameras and sensors examine surfaces, connections, dimensions, and other features before final testing. The packaged processors are tested under controlled electrical conditions. Their performance, reliability, and functionality must meet extremely demanding specifications. Engineers monitor the entire manufacturing process and investigate defects or variations. Semiconductor production depends on constant measurement and rigorous quality control. Modern fabrication facilities are highly automated. Robots move wafers between machines, while engineers supervise complex processes from controlled environments. Overhead robotic systems transport sealed wafers between processing chambers. Automation minimizes human contact and helps maintain the extraordinary cleanliness required. A microscopic particle can be enormous compared with a nanoscale transistor. That is why semiconductor cleanrooms must be extraordinarily cleaner than ordinary environments. Behind every modern processor is a massive ecosystem of machines, chemicals, robotics, software, engineers, and scientific expertise working together with incredible precision. Once completed, billions of transistors can switch electrical states billions of times. This microscopic activity becomes the computational power of modern technology. Inside a smartphone, tiny semiconductor chips control processing, memory, communication, cameras, sensors, and countless other functions we use every day. In computers, advanced processors and memory chips handle everything from simple calculations to artificial intelligence, video processing, and complex scientific simulations. Modern vehicles contain numerous semiconductor systems controlling batteries, sensors, safety features, communication, navigation, and increasingly autonomous driving technologies. Microchips are now everywhere, in medical equipment, satellites, robots, appliances, industrial machines, communication systems, and the infrastructure of modern civilization. Artificial intelligence demands enormous computing power. Advanced semiconductor processors enable today's AI systems to process massive amounts of information at extraordinary speed. Microchip production is global. Raw materials, specialized equipment, wafers, chemicals, packaging, and finished processors may travel across several countries before reaching consumers. The industry continues pushing towards smaller features, faster processors, greater efficiency, and new manufacturing technologies that could redefine the future of computing. Future architectures may move beyond conventional transistor designs. New materials, advanced packaging, and innovative structures could allow even greater computational performance. From a piece of raw silicon to a finished processor, the journey is extraordinary. Human engineering transforms an ordinary material into a machine capable of computation and intelligence. Inside every digital device are billions of microscopic switches working together. Invisible to us, these tiny structures power the connected world, and shape the future of civilization.